Gold has seen a massive rally with the inflation data coming in from US. It has moved towards the next resistance zone at 1970, 1972. Now, what to expect today? Can it move towards 1985, the third levels today? Yes, there is PPI data coming in from US and the retail sales data that will also bring or add on to volatility. So, how to profit? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session and before the PPI data. Do watch that as well. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Let's start. First, we look into our. Yes, towards the end of the video, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch this. On the hourly chart, see after the rise, it has retraced. It has formed a flat base here, which is a good sign for it to rise further, because the stronger the base, the higher it can, and it is rising as well. Yes, I will watch out for how it behaves at 1970 and 1972.5. These two levels are going to remain important for the day. Once it stays beyond 1972.5, you can add on the next target towards 82-85 zone. Yes, it can try to move towards those levels, and it is a greater resistance zone as well. Also, if you notice, see, this was the zone where it has got the resistance earlier, and now also it has got the resistance at the same zone. I will watch out definitely how it behaves at 70-72.5. See, stochastic is rising as well. MACD has seen a little high, but it has further scope for it to rise. As if you notice, see, this was the peak here, this is the peak here, and it is still far above from the peak. However, if you notice, see, last three drops -5 levels were the highs here, and the rise here at +5. So this appears to be on the hourly charts as an extreme. However, not far back, we have seen it rising extremely high as well. Now see, RSI is back to overbought levels. It has cooled down a bit. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, first, if you just connect it here, you will find it is a bullish trend. It has started. Yes, again, next observation is it has breached this bearish channel. It is rising to the highs. And if you notice, see, the next highs should be at around this zone for this broader channel. So 1980, 1985 zone is something we should watch out for, staying above 1970-72 zone. Also, if you look at the moving averages have crossed over here, good bullish sign it is. And moving averages have started to converge. That is again a bullish sign. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green. It is divergent. It is bullish, looking upwards. And it has further scope for it to continue with the rise here. RSI overbought. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, after forming the base, it is willing to rise. It is looking upwards. I will observe how it behaves at 70-72.5 zone. Then 76 is the first target, and then 1984, 85 and 1990 levels to be seen. If you look at the movement here, see, one breakout candle, second increasing bullish candle. Right now it is consolidating. The third candle can be further bullish. We have the US retail sales data and the PPI data coming later in the day before the US session. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish. Only thing is the candle size is diminishing, but still it is looking upwards. After forming the base, it is trying to rise. RSI is looking upwards as well. Coming to 4. Now on the 4 hour charts, couple of retracement candles with very smaller bodies, and it is just moving upwards. 1970-72 zone, some point of time today it might achieve, and beyond that is where the bulls will take over. Also, one must note that a selling entry is below 1962 levels. If you see the price is staying below 1962 today, we can take a selling position, but 58, 54 zone is going to be the next. 58 is the first support level, then 54 is the next support level. It is only to be treated bearish if and only if it breaks below this consolidation zone, which is right now at around 48.50. So once it stays below 48.50 zone, then only we should treat that the gold is turning bearish, else it is still to be treated as bullish, even if it tries to retrace. How far it can retrace? Now see, every move has a meaning, you should note. Now the bottom is somewhere here at 48.50 zone. Yes, very good support here, and a possible retracement towards these zones some point of time cannot be denied. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, it is still looking upwards. RSI is looking upwards as well. Coming to the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, see higher highs, higher lows. This is how it has been trading. The top here at 1980 of this channel, 1978, 1980 zone, which is also greater resistance zone. And then if it breaks past 1980, 1985 and 1990, rather I will look forward to 1990 levels as the next milestone here for gold to break past by. On the daily charts, another observation, rise, retracement, and it is breaking out now. So this is gold has given a breakout out of this bearish channel, and it's a flag formation as well. So possibly it is looking forward to reverse complete. Thus today beyond 1970, 72.5 levels, do not think of selling gold. It is going to remain in by 1976, 1980, 85, and then 1990 levels one can look forward to. Yes, it can give an increasingly bullish candle. See, the day has started flat and the support levels at 1960 from the 20 period moving average is intact. But one must note that moving averages are still trading parallel and have not started to diverge, which is a bullish sign. So this is what I mean by divergence. This is running parallel as of now. So let it start to diverge. That will be the bullish indication. Now, before I give you the further reading, I'll give you the analysis of the charts. If you want to learn this art of, you should join my mentorship batch. The 27th mentorship batch is starting coming Monday, 20th of November. Only few seats are now left. You can register still. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. See, learning is the only investment which can reap the profits to you throughout your life. Thus, invest in your learning first. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify the trends and the trades. Now, to register for the batch, you should visit the platform forexfunda.com. Here on the front page itself, you will find the details related to the batch. You can proceed ahead, you can find the curriculum, and you can find the services, and you can proceed ahead with the payment and book the seat here itself. Thus, visit the place www.forexfunda.com. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Yes, you can also register for my coming webinar on the weekly series, and this platform has much more to offer, be it the breaking news, be it the economic calendar, be it the markets data where you can find for your favorite instrument, do the charting, do the live charting analysis. Also, you can schedule a call with me if you need any consultation on guidance. And yes, the communities tab is where you can find the traders and take your discussion to the next level and make an informed decision. Thus, visit the platform Forex Funda. Now, coming back to the daily chart, see the stochastic is still rising. The MACD has started to converge. It has not yet crossed over despite the big bullish move. And if you look at, see this crossover on gold has come after a long bullish move like this, and since then we have seen it trading bearish. Now what has happened here is it was trading with divergence, thus it has shown a little convergence. It has yet not shown the crossover. Now let me show you something. See, after this crossover, it has seen a little retracement and a conversion and a slight crossover as well before continuing on the downside. Now let me show you what has happened the price action at that time. Now this was the price action that happened that time, almost forming the same base at around 1940, 1930, and the prices retraced towards 1980, 85 levels. Now if you look at the current charts also, this is also similar example where the prices might retrace towards 1980, 85, which is the first resistance zone. In fact, 1990 is the second one. Thus, for the day, first, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell if you see the prices staying below 1962 levels and below. Rather, I will say take a safer entry below 1960, because see, we have got very, very good support at 58, the first target, then 54, the next, and then 1948. These three levels are going to play a major role in gold's direction today. Any point of time, if you see it is staying below 48 and 44 levels, you can say that the crash is awaited and it is going to reverse. It is going to erase all the. So a possible selling entry at below 1962 can be taken, but with caution that it can continue with the, it can reverse, in fact, as long as 1954 specifically is respected. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy only and only if you see it is staying above 1972.5. 1970 you can buy, but then 1972.5 is the first resistance zone, and beyond 1972.5 is where we can look forward to first target at 1976, then 80, 84, and then 90 levels should to be seen here. Yes, these are going to remain a greater resistance zone. And those who want to risk a little can buy at around 1966, 67 levels as well. But with caution, note that it can fall any point of time. Right now, it is already at 66. So, see 66 to 70, 40 pips. But if you want to trade a little riskier, you can take a trade with a stop loss at 62, but with caution. So, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship. And see you again before the US session update, before the PPI data. You can join my Signals channel as well. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.